Welcome! In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number and the IMEI number on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and we can do it by pressing the Chrome button or by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see the settings icon. Now tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called the system and tap on it. Here find the option called the about and select it. And right here, let's scroll down, find the option called serial number, and here we have the serial number of our device, and also below it we have the IMEI number of our device. And once you're done, you can press the Chrome button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the serial number and the IMEI number on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.